Welcome back to Olympiad Learning. Today we have 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c is equal to 148, and where a is less than b, b is less than c. We need to find the value of a, b and c respectively. Let's proceed. Here I am just going to do 2 to the power a, I am taking common. So I'll be having 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c, and then divided by 2 to the power a, and here I can write 148. So this will be 2 to the power a, and then 2 to the power a divided by 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power b divided by 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power c divided by 2 to the power a is equal to 148. Now I can have this one 2 to the power a, and this will be 1, and this will be bases are same, so we can write b minus a, and here 2 to the power c minus a, that is 148. Now you are seeing that we have this one even, this is even, and this is what, odd. Why? Because here we are having 2 to the power something but not equal to 0, and here 2 to the power something but not equal to 0. So this is even plus even, but we are adding 1, that's why it becomes odd. So we have even and odd multiple, so I need to put this one into even and odd factor. That's why I'm just getting factor of it. 2 to the power, here 2 divided by, okay, just I am dividing 14 by 2, so I will be having 7, and here 4, and then 2 3 just 6, and here 2 7 just 14. So we have 148 as factor of 2 multiply 2 and 37. So I can write into even and odd format 4 into 37. So here even and it is odd, that's why I can write in this format, that is 2 to the power a 1 plus 2 to the power b minus a plus 2 to the power c minus a equal to 4 multiply 37. Now you are seeing that this is even and this is odd. So I can just equate here 2 to the power a, this one is even and this one is also even. So I can say that this will be equal to this, and this all term will be equal to 37. So here I am just writing 2 to the power a, 2 to the power a, that should be equal to 4. So I can write here 2 to the power a equal to 4. So I can write 4 as 2 to the power 2. So after equating 2 to the power a with 2 to the power 2, so we will be having a equal to 2. So this is the first result I got, and next result is what I'm just going to estimate. So here 1 plus 2 to the power b minus 1 b minus a, 2 to the power b minus a, and then 2 to the power c minus a, that should be equal to, this whole term will be equal to 37. So I'm just writing here 37. So you will see that 1 plus 2 to the power b minus a plus 2 to the power c minus a will be equal to 37. So here I can write 2 to the power b minus a plus 2 to the power c minus a is equal to 37 minus 1, and here we have 36. Then we have 2 to the power minus a plus 2 to the power c minus a. This is coming 37. Now we are going to solve the problem from here once again. Once again I am just taking 2 to the power b, I am just taking from both sides. So I will be having here 2 to the power b, I am just taking here 2 to the power b. So after taking, we will be having here, that is 2 to the power b I am taking, so we will be having 2 to the power minus a plus 2 to the power c minus a minus b I can write, and then I will be having 36. I will be having 36. Now after putting the value of a also, we can put the value of a because we got, so here 2 to the power b, and then 2 to the power here minus 2 plus 2 to the power c minus 2, and then b was just taken out, so it is already there here, 2 to the power minus b, and then we have 36, then we have 36 over here. So we can get the 36 by doing one calculation. That one is here, this 36 can be write as, here I can add 2 to the power b, and this one can be write as, here 1, here 2 to the power minus 2, plus I can write here 2 to the power c, and here minus b, and 2 to the power minus 2 can be write as here 2 to the power 2, that is equal to 36. Now just I am going to do one thing, 2 to the power b, and here 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 2 here, and 2 to the power c minus b, that is equal to 36. Now here 2 to the power b is going to multiply with here, also 2 to the power b will multiply here, so we have 2 to the power c, and then we have divided by 4 is equal to 36. Now this term will be written in this way, 2 to the power b plus we have 2 to the power c, that is equal to 36 into 4. Here we can have 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c, that is equal to 36 into 4. So you are seeing that this is even and this one is also even. So what I am just going to do, I am just taking out 2 to the power b, so I'll be having 1 plus 2 to the power c minus b, so that you can see that this one is c minus b is not equal to 0, so it will be just even number, but after adding 1 it becomes odd. And here you are seeing that even, here you are seeing that even, so this format should be right into odd and even format. So here I'm just going to do one thing, that is here 36 can be write as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, so it is 4 into 9 36, and we have 4 2 into 2, so I can write it as 2 to the 1 2 3 4, 2 to the power 4, and here we have 2 to the power 3 to the power 2. So you can see that this is even and this one is odd, this one is odd, so I can write this one as 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4, and here 3 to the power 9, 3 to the power 2, that can be write as 9. And you can see that I need to write 9 as odd and even format, so this could be write as 1 plus 8, 1 plus 8 I can write, and here I'll be having 2 to the power b, 1 plus 2 to the power c minus b, so I can easily say that I'll be having here 2 to the power b, 1 plus 2 to the power c minus b, and I have 2 to the power 4 into 1 plus 8, 1 plus 8. So you can say that we have this term, this term can be equated with this, and this term can be equated with this. So I'll be having 2 to the power b as 2 to the power 4, this will be equated, and we can easily say that b should be equal to 4, and we have this term will be equal to this, so 1 plus 2 to the power c, and we got the value of b as 4, so here c minus 4 is equal to 1 plus 8, so 1 will be cancelled, and we have 2 to the power c minus 4, and here we have 8, and 8 can be write as 2 to the power c minus 4, here 2 to the power 3, so we can say that bases are same, so we can just equate their power, so c to the power 4 here 3, so this term will be just equated, and we have c minus 4 equal to 3, so we can say that c equal to 3 plus 4, and we got the value of c equal to 7. So in this way we can say that we have a value of a, b and c, here a, b and c as a is equal to we got 2, and b is equal to got 4, and c we got 7. So these three values are there for the given equation here. 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c equal to 148, where a is equal to 2, b equal to 4 and c equal to 7. These are the solution of the given question. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.